Have you ever failed your English exam because you spelled an English word wrong? I am Bahar and today we're going to talk about the correct spelling of some famous English words. So after this video, I recommend you to make some sentences with these words in the comments so you can practice them for yourself. Now let's get started. I will read a sentence first and you have to find the misspelled word, the word that the spelling is not correct. Ready? Let's go. I fell in front of everyone and it was so embarrassing. Where is the mistake? The wrong spelling is embarrassing. The correct spelling is like this. When you feel uncomfortable, ashamed, or embarrassed, you can say that situation was embarrassing.
Oh, this is so embarrassing.
For an example, I couldn't remember her name, so it was so embarrassing. If you have spelled this word wrong, I recommend you to write it for 5 or 10 times so you can remember the correct form.
Oh my God, it's so embarrassing.
Ready for the next sentence? I will definitely invite Alex for my birthday party. Which spelling is not correct? Definitely. The correct form is like this. It means certainly or without doubt.
Definitely? Definitely.
I have seen lots of English students who misspell this word. This is one of the most common words in English conversations, so whenever you want to write or whenever you want to chat with someone in English, you should pay attention to the correct spelling. It is definitely. For an example, she is definitely the best candidate for the job. The second example, I will definitely attend the party tonight.
Awesome, yeah, I will definitely be there, thank you.
The next sentence, let's go to that Mexican restaurant and try their delicious food. The wrong spelling is restaurant. The correct form is like this. It is restaurant.
What if it's a restaurant?
Guys, this is one of the most common misspelled words. If you didn't realize that the spelling is wrong, I recommend you to write it for 5 or 10 times so you can remember the correct spelling. As we all know, restaurant is a place where you go to eat meals that are prepared and served by others. Take a look at this example. The restaurant was busy and we couldn't find a table to sit. Let's go to the next sentence. He became a millionaire after starting a successful business. The misspelled word is millionaire. The correct form is like this. So as you know, a millionaire person is someone who is very rich, a person who has money that is worth at least $1 million or euros. So that person is so wealthy and rich.
Whoa, he's a millionaire! Wow!
When your friend asks you, do you want to buy a new house? You can tell them, do you think I'm a millionaire? It means I am not a millionaire, I don't have that much money.
Hey, how'd the date go with Mr. Millionaire?
Let's jump into the next sentence. I had a great experience while traveling in Europe. The misspelled word is experience. The correct form is like this.
It's been an unbelievable experience.
As you know, experience is the knowledge or the skill that you can get by doing or feeling something through your life or your exposure to certain situations. For an example, the best way to learn is by experience. Another example, I know from experience that Tony never keeps his promises. Let's go to the next word. We should take care of the environment by reducing and recycling waste. Which one is not correct? The misspelled word is environment.
The environment.
You should know that the environment is our surrounding or the air, the water, and the land where people, animals, and plants live in. So it has 2 different meanings. For an example, I like the friendly environment at my work. It means everybody at work is so friendly, so we're not gonna get tired.
Lifeless environment.
Let's go to the word number 6. Take a look at the sentence. I appreciate your help with carrying these groceries. What is the misspelled word? The misspelled word is appreciate. The correct spelling is like this. So as you know, when you appreciate someone, you thank them because you recognize their help. They have done a favor for you and now you want to appreciate them. You want to thank them because you know their value.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I really appreciate your apology.
For an example, I appreciate your favor. It means a lot to me. Another example, I appreciate the beautiful flowers you sent me. Now I want to read the next sentence. Ready? Let's go. I have to leave immediately to catch the bus. So, the misspelled word is immediately. It means right away, without delay.
I need to talk to you immediately.
And it's available immediately.
For an example, the house is on fire. We have to leave the house immediately. It means we have to leave this place right away without delay. So when you want to do something so fast and without hesitating, you can say you have to do this immediately. Guys, we are almost done. We are going to talk about the word number 9. It is I need to have discipline to save money. Where is the mistake? Exactly. The misspelled word is discipline. The correct spelling is like this. When you have discipline, you set rules for yourself and you try to follow the rules. You can manage things and everything is under your control because you have discipline.
Loyal.
And disciplined.
Discipline and teamwork.
A great example for this word is when it comes to save time effectively, you should have discipline. And the last word, but not least, I bought a keychain as a souvenir from my trip to Paris. So, where is the mistake? The misspelled word is souvenir. A souvenir is an object that you can keep as a reminder of a place, a person, or an event. Like when you go to London, you can buy a lamp for yourself as a souvenir. So when you are at home, you can keep it in your bedroom and whenever you see it, it reminds you of London. So you can say, the lamp is a souvenir.
As a souvenir.
Ship with a cheap souvenir.
For an example, she collects postcards as souvenirs from different countries. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now and like this video to support me and to let the YouTube algorithm know that you have enjoyed this content. Also, if you know some other words that their pronunciations are a little bit difficult or challenging for you, you can tell me in the comments. And if you have some other questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will read all of your feedback and answer your questions. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day.